Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing candle empties. First up I have this Starbucks coffee, and this was a wax melt. I bought these from a local vendor, homemade wax melts. This smelled so good, exactly how you would expect Starbucks coffee to smell. It smelled like coffee. It was very strong. I cut this up into 3 uses. Very nice. I only paid $1 for this and got 3 uses out of it. It was really nice. The Luminescence Pumpkin Ginger Ale and Toasted Hazelnut Latte. This is a dual wax melt. You get 6 wax melts. This is from the DollarTree. These smelled really nice. The only thing I didn't like about them was they are like a soy based, so they're a little bit harder to get out of the wax burner once you are finished and they've hardened. So outside of that, they were decent. They had a nice scent. They had a nice throw. I would definitely repurchase them again. I loved out of the 2, the Toasted Hazelnut was my favorite. Smelled so good. They need to have that one by itself alone. Definitely would repurchase. Better Homes and Gardens Caramel and Bread Pudding. This says it is caramel, bread butter, nutmeg, cinnamon, dark vanilla, brown sugar scent notes. Absolutely was. This smelled so amazing. So nice. It filled the entire home with scent. Once again, nice bakery scent. Perfect for fall, but I burn this kind of scent year round. I love these types of scents. It just smells so good. So inviting into the home. I love a good vanilla scent. To me, I don't really smell like the caramel of this, but like the bakery scent and like the very strong vanilla scent is very dominant in this one. I love it. I would definitely repurchase it again. 10 out of 10 repurchases again for sure. Moving on to candles. The Mainstays Pumpkin Spice candle. This is 11.5 ounces. This was under $4 at Walmart. Pumpkin, nutmeg, and cinnamon. This burnt fantastic. Like always, they usually always do. There's like no soot in this jar either, so that was nice. The throw on this was really nice as well. Kitchen, dining room, living room. Very strong scent. I mean, you could kind of smell it like in the hallway and towards the bathroom, but overall I'm not mad at it. That's still a pretty good throw. Of course, I love pumpkin spice scent. I love any of the fall scents. This was really nice pumpkin spice scent. I definitely would repurchase this pumpkin spice candle. It smelled amazing. And last but not least for today's candle and wax reviews, I have a candle from Ollie's. This is from the Aromance brand, 20-ounce candle, and the scent is pumpkin orange zest. This was $4.99 at Ollie's. Good price for a jar candle. Never can beat $4.99 for a jar candle. This did soot a little, and I did clip the wicks this time, so it still sooted pretty good up in there. Overall though, look how well that burnt. I mean, practically have, you know, a pretty clear jar there. So it burnt all the way down. Super nice burn. Even burn. The scent, fantastic. Smells amazing in the jar. However, while it is burning, it is kind of a light pumpkin scent. You could barely smell the orange while it was burning. Now inside the jar, smelling it, like even right now, you can smell all of that. The orange, the zest, the pumpkin, all of it. When it's burning, faint pumpkin smell. I did enjoy this candle. I love candles in general, but this one only filled the kitchen with scent. So that was a little disappointing. If I saw this brand again with this particular scent, I would not repurchase this one, only on the fact that it only filled the kitchen area and the scent was so light. I like a stronger scented candle. So that was just disappointing to me. But I do think Ollie's has amazing deals on candles and would definitely repurchase lots of other Ollie's candles in the future, I know. But this one was just somewhat of a letdown. Well, that is all the candle and wax reviews I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the reviews helpful. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you so much for watching.